In this Brigit review, I'm going to be showing you guys if you can really manage your finances with this app and also take money advances. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if Brigit is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software, and courses. If you want to get my number one recommended strategy that has personally helped me to go from 0 to 5,000 to almost $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. So, Brigit is basically an app which helps you to manage your finances, and also you can take some money advances, cash advances from the app, and also it can help you build your credit score. So these are some of the services that you can get from Brigit, and unfortunately it's not available everywhere. So it's only available in the United States. So if you're not from the United States, make sure you stick around till the end of the video because I'm going to show you a strategy that has helped me to make money online. So stick around till the end. So basically you can build your credit score up to 700 with this app, and the amount of money that you can be taking advance is about $25 to almost $250. So for most people, I really don't think you can get up to $250 in advances. For most people, I would say you'll get around $50 to $100, because what this app does is that first you have to connect your bank account. As soon as you get into this app, you can get into this app with the Google Play Store if you're using an Android phone, or an Apple App Store if you're using an iPhone. So after you do that, you can connect your bank account, and what Brigit do is they really check into your account and make sure you're actually a person who can actually pay back. So if you're someone who have a consistent income of $1,500 every single month, then you're probably eligible for the advances in Brigit. After you guys have actually logged in and connected your bank account, what they'll do is they will check if you're eligible. If you are eligible, then you can definitely get into Brigit, and you guys can take advances as well. So I want to tell you guys some of the criterias. Before that, let me show you the pricing of Brigit. So there is a free plan, and there's a plus plan, and there's a premium plan. So the thing is, the first let me just tell this very quickly. So the first free plan doesn't give you instant cash. So it is going to take you about 1 to 3 business days. Let me show you. It's somewhere here. Okay. Okay, it's going to take you about 1 to 3 business days in order for you guys to get your cash in the free plan. So if you are a plus member, you could be potentially getting instant cash from Brigit, and also the premium one has free express delivery, so that's great. They also charge $14.99 per month, and then you don't get a credit builder in the free plan. You also don't get a credit builder in the plus plan, but in the premium plan you could be possibly getting a credit builder. It basically helps you to build your credit score, and then you have credit monitoring, which you don't get in the free plan but you get it in the plus and premium plan. So that's some of the things you have to keep it in your mind. So that's the pricing. So I've seen many people actually going with the plus and premium plan. So it all depends what your criterias or what your personal goals are. If you're really looking to build your credit score, I would really recommend the plus or premium plan. So let's get back and let's look at some of the conditions. So depending on the eligibility, advances range from $25 to $250, as I've mentioned. But remember guys, it's going to be mostly $50 to $100. It's going to take a lot of time for you guys to get the maximum amount of money, which is $250, because Brigit should actually trust you, which is going to take some time. So that's the thing. And most users receive their express delivery within 20 minutes, so that's for the premium plan. And their monthly subscription is $8.99 to $14.99. You can cancel anytime. So that's those are some of the rules and regulations of Brigit. So basically that's it for this the Brigit video. But I also would love to show you what other people are telling about Brigit. So let's go to a third party app called Brigit. I mean Trustpilot. So the stars that are given here is almost 4.6 star reviews, which is actually pretty good. So anything about 4-star review is actually very good when it comes to websites like this finance app. So if you go down, you can see there are a lot of 5-star reviews. I really don't want to get into the 5-star reviews. I think you guys can check them by yourself, because I would love to go to the 1-star reviews, because I want to know what people are actually facing trouble with. So there are actually a few of the problems that I've already checked in. So the first problem is most people are having trouble with their customer support. So people generally don't reply back, or they are having a tough time to actually talk with the customer support. Generally they don't really reply or things like that, so that's kind of like a problem. And there is one problem that really caught my eyes, which was ridiculous fees. So the thing is that, as I've told you, the pricing is $8.99 and $14.99. So what happens is you don't get instant cash even in the plus and premium plan. So what happens is, once you have taken the plus and premium plan, while you're taking advance, you will have to pay an extra $3 to $4 for an instant cash delivery. You get the point, right? You have to be a member, which will cost you $8 to 14 or $15, and also you will have to pay $3 to $4 for express delivery. But you get kind of like a free express delivery in the premium. But if you're in the plus variant, you won't be actually getting that. So that's kind of like a downfall, I would say. So overall, I think Brigit is an absolutely legitimate app. You can definitely make money with Brigit. But the thing is that the insane fees, the monthly fees, and the extra express fees that you would have to pay is actually quite high. But without that saying, I think Brigit is a cool, or it's I think it's a better finance app than most app, because other finance app, they somewhat charge a very high percentage of fees. So that's out of the way. I think Brigit is a little bit more better. So that's basically it for this video of Brigit. If you have stayed till the end of the video, I would like to recommend to you another strategy which has personally helped me to go from 0 to 5,000 to almost $10,000 per month. It's absolutely free. It's a free affiliate marketing guide. So if you want to get this free guide, you can click the first link in the description. So that's basically it, and I hope to see you on another review video.